Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is a part 2 of the video I uploaded before, even though I said I wasn't gonna post it. Anyway guys, welcome back and thanks again for watching. This is a part 2 and this is just gonna show you what I did. So the first video show when I failed that simple hairstyle, but I just do it in another way and it was beautiful. So thanks again, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and you all stay safe, stay blessed and stay motivated. Thanks again guys. Wipe out this bottle now. Shine and jump because that gel not holding. It's not giving me. But it make me hair soft. That's a good thing about it. It makes my hair soft. Just gonna tie down. Oh, me tell you, Jojo. you what are the gel that way. Sure. I'm set you, but not set I rain. But there is a liar. Anyway, guys, when last we're on natural hair. I'm not gonna lie, sometime. Well, if you're going out, when last year you go out with your own natural hair, a wig. This era is like our wig. Can make things a lot easier, but when I'm home, my natural hair is either tie down or out. But when I go out, I just grab a wig. Grab a wig. It's good to give your hair breaks. The thing about our hair is that it's versatile. We can do whatever we want with it. But sometimes you just don't want to touch it because when you tender headed, sometimes even one part, like we just decide it hot, it just hurts. So sometimes you just don't want to touch your hair, and that's fine, right? So that's it. Guys, we just have a show now. So I'm gonna be doing. Alright, guys. This gel decided to be dash way. Right where I sit down. This gel is not gelling, but it made me soft, so we can use it for twist out, I think. Bless the Lord of my soul, and all that is. Never work. It didn't work. Yeah. Just one of those days. Alright, guys, so we're not make it stay too long. Just show them. Show them. Alright, guys, so maybe the twist out. I'm just gonna put some oil. Okay, guys, so my cornrows in the front and my twist out in the back. What to call this hairstyle? Tell me. Alright, my flat twist out not looking bad at all. I like it. I like it. Okay. See, that's the back. Okay, guys, this is the twist out. See? That's the flat twist out, guys. Yeah. Yes. So that's what it's looking like. I like it. I like it. Alright, guys. Anyway, guys, thank you all so much for watching. That's the end product. The first one did fail. Me not even think me not post it, but I might. But I was trying something else that I saw, so that's why I changed the parting. So yeah, I like this. Alright, guys, so thanks again for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed, and of course stay motivated. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Alright, thanks for watching.